Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the Finances tab of your Shopify store. So the Finances tab gives you a brief overview regarding the finances of your Shopify store, things involving payouts, anything with your Shopify Capital account, any bills that you owe, and assorted other financial information. So we're starting off in the Shopify admin section, and we're going to go over to the left sidebar and click Finances. So this is the financial overview of the site, and we're going to go over everything from the top down. So starting at the top, we have the date range for the store. So we have the month to date, and we're comparing it to the previous period. And that's set by default. You can choose this box and choose whichever range you like. Now you have the net sales for this date range, the gross profit for the store, and the gross margin. Now this data is only going to be calculated if you have costs assigned to your product listings. Otherwise, Shopify won't be able to calculate this. Now going down, you have the financial breakdown. You have your store earnings by payment provider, so we can see sales that came in through Shopify payments, through PayPal. We can see cash on delivery orders, manual payments, and you can break down the filters over here. You can look based off of the sales channel. We can see the earnings from the individual sales channels or from the markets. We can also take a look at the bank account that's assigned to this account, how much in taxes we collected on the account, and any current bills on the account, and anything in our Shopify Capital account. So Shopify Capital is a separate service that Shopify offers to essentially provide new store owners with upfront cash to operate their stores. This is a separate service that Shopify offers, and you can apply by clicking the Shopify Capital tab. When you click on Shopify Capital, it will give you some details about your Capital account and how much money you have in the account, any bills that you owe, and your remaining funding. So over here in the Payouts tab, you can take a look at any of your Shopify payouts, any of the previous payouts, any of your upcoming payouts over here, and any balances you owe to Shopify. Now, Shopify has it broken down by payout date. It'll tell you the status over here. Here are the total amount of charges that were on the store for this payment period, any refunds that were given out. Adjustments are made based off of if there were any Shopify fees involved. Maybe there were chargebacks. Those would be reflected in the adjustments. And then you have the Shopify fees, and at the end you have the total payout. So if you want to see the details of a particular payout, you can just click on the date, and it will show you the breakdown over here, and it will show you the breakdown based off the time, the orders that were included in this payout, and the fees associated with each individual order. And you can click on the reference numbers to go directly to those orders. The last tab of the Finances tab is the Bill Pay. Now, this is a separate app that Shopify has. We won't be going over into too much detail because we don't have it set up on this store. But Shopify Bill Pay, if you want to install it, you click on Bill Pay, and it will give you the option to install the app. And in there, you can pay out and assign vendors to the Shopify store, make payouts to those vendors, either using your Shopify balance, Shopify Capital, or just using a credit card that's assigned, and you have those options using Shopify Bill Pay.